What is Wolfeye Remote Screen software? What is Wolfeye? So I would like to give you a quick, short overview about what it does, and how you can use Wolfeye Remote Screen to see the live computer screen of remote computers. So what is Wolfeye? Wolfeye? Wolfeye is a small piece of software that you install it on a computer, on a Windows computer or a Windows laptop, and it will allow you to see the live screen, the remote live screen, using a browser, just as you see it here. I'm using the browser as you see. This is a demo, and you will see the live computer screen remotely. So you will be able to see the live screen of that particular computer also using your smartphone, because you have on your smartphone, you have a browser, or from any other remote computer over the internet. Yeah. Um, and that's what it does. It allows you to see for that particular computer the live screen, and this is a demo. This is a demo just to show you how you can, or what you can expect. This is only a picture, but in reality, you will see here the live computer screen. And basically what it will be a screenshot updated for that computer, a screenshot of the screen updated every 2 seconds. Every 2 to 3 seconds, you have a lag, but every 2 to 3 seconds, the screen is updated. That's what it does. You also have the option to enable screenshot history. So you could, that's why you read here history. You could right mouse click and open in a new tab. Yeah. And then this is all, of course, this is a demo, so you only see this picture, but then every 5 minutes or every 1 minute or every 10 minutes, you select the interval, a screenshot is saved to your history dashboard, so to speak. Okay, so that's what Wolfeye does, and you can use Wolfeye in your company. Of course, only make sure to adhere to the regulations in your company to monitor business computers, to see the live screen remotely of business computers, but also in a school environment, if you would like to monitor pool computers in school for and in this environment, in your company or in school computers, you install Wolfeye Remote Screen on each of your business computers, for example, and will receive a dashboard like this. A dashboard like this. This is a demo dashboard. That's why the password is displayed here. So you could also try it. And you will set your own password and enter to your dashboard. And for each of the computer that you have installed Wolfeye Remote Screen, you will see the live screen, just as you see it here. And again, live screen means it will be a screenshot made every 1 minute or every 2 minutes. Excuse me, every 2 seconds. It will be a screenshot made every 2 seconds. That's how you see. This is a demo. That's why you only see here a picture. And you could, from this dashboard, right mouse click on the link that says live. If you right mouse click, then you could take a closer look at that particular computer live screen. Okay. Here you can change the columns if you only wanted to have 2 columns, so you have bigger screens, or change it to 3 columns so you have more computers. In this case, 5 computers has been installed on 5 computers. So if you would like to try out Wolfeye Remote Screen, come to our website, wolfeye.co, wolfeye.co, and hit this here, wolfeye.co, and come to our try to the demo to start your free trial. To start your free trial, you select a date for us to make a demo session first. In that demo session, I will make a quick demo for you. And in that, Wolfeye will already be installed on my computer, and I will send you my dashboard so you see my live screen. So you know exactly what you will receive if you decided to install it in one or more of your company's computers. So you select here the date, and the time, and we make a Wolfeye demo. And also, um, if you want, I can guide you to install Wolfeye on one or two of your computers, and that will enable you to quickly install it on your remaining computers. Very easy to install Wolfeye Remote Screen on your computers. So book a live demo with me and start your 40-day free trial with Wolfeye Remote Screen. See you in the next video.